This is the drawn retelling of the landmark Supreme Court case Riley v. California in 2014 by Kawai and Kate.
On August 22, 2009, David Leon Riley was pulled over at a traffic stop for driving with expired license registration tags. His driver's license had also been suspended prior, so, according to policy, the car he was driving must be impounded. An inventory search was performed to take note of what was in there for liability and also look for contraband. During the search, the police officer found 2 handguns in his car hood. Riley was arrested for possession of concealed and loaded firearms. A smartphone was found when Riley was searched, and the officer looked through it, finding texts and contacts with CK, which is believed to stand for Crip Killers. Earlier that month, on August 2nd, there had been a drive-by shooting between 2 rival gangs. The police didn't know who was involved, but knew what car it happened in. 2 hours later, at the police station, a detective specializing in gangs looked through the smartphone more thoroughly and found images of Riley holding up gang signs with the car suspected in the shooting a few weeks ago. He was charged for firing at an occupied vehicle, assault with a semi-automatic firearm, and attempted murder. At court, some of the photographs and videos were used as evidence against him, but Riley contended that this violated the Fourth Amendment because his phone was warrantlessly searched. The Fourth Amendment basically prohibits unreasonable searches or seizures and requires a search warrant to be judicially issued with probable cause.
The court ruled that the warrantless search of the cell phone was indeed unconstitutional. The exception to a warrantless search is only when the item is a threat to the officer, but the smartphone did not pose a threat. Without this decision, there would be a gray area regarding officers searching personal belongings such as cell phones without a warrant. Now there's a clear distinction for officers and citizens alike of when it is considered reasonable to warrantlessly search belongings. The end. Thanks for watching.